Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to win every time in Block Blast. To start, always prioritize clearing larger blocks first. This frees up crucial board space. Focus on completing full lines, whether horizontally or vertically, to remove blocks efficiently. A key strategy is to keep the center of your board as open as possible. This allows for greater flexibility and more options when new, larger blocks appear, preventing you from getting stuck early in the game. For strategic block placement, always look ahead at the next 2 or 3 incoming blocks. This foresight allows you to plan your moves several steps in advance, optimizing your board layout. Intentionally create empty spaces that can accommodate a variety of block shapes, especially the larger, more challenging ones. Try to avoid placing blocks in the corners unless it is absolutely necessary to complete a line, as this can quickly limit your options. To master efficient clearing methods, focus on clearing multiple lines simultaneously. This not only gives you a higher score, but also rapidly opens up your board. Effectively utilize L-shaped and T-shaped blocks to clear complex or awkward areas that straight blocks cannot reach. It is crucial to maintain a balanced board, clearing from all sides rather than concentrating on just one. This prevents one area from becoming too cluttered and unmanageable. To avoid common mistakes and truly master Block Blast, never hoard small blocks. Use them immediately to fill small gaps and complete lines. Resist the urge to place blocks randomly without a clear purpose or a plan for future moves. This often leads to quickly running out of space. Finally, practice regularly to develop an intuitive understanding of block placement and board management. Consistent play will significantly improve your ability to win every time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.